Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, select the orange color, adjust the photo, change the background color, duplicate the photo, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button on, select the image, different color of image, please like the video and subscribe the channel.